Solusyon, kung gusto nyo na matigil ang World War III ng Philippines, America, Taiwan, China. So, surrender your Pacific Sea, whatever the you location history. Ang pinag-aangkin ng China na Philippine Sea, na ang China may-ari, ay kailangan sumuko ang Philippines to surrender to China. Is never to stop the war. Taiwan, your surrender to China or whatever Taiwan is involved to China. America, yan ang solusyon. At no election in the Philippines 2028. Walang mangyayaring election. Okay? Of politic voters about the people life. Hanggang nasa Third World War tayo, nasa World War III. WW3. Wala tayong election, wala tayong future, all changes. Our people did less. Our nation died. Got it? Pinagluloko nyo yung mga sarili nyo. Wala na ibang solusyon, Philippines. Sumuko ka na sa China. Isurundil mo ng Philippine Sea na pag-aari ng China. At ikaw, China, isurundir mo na yan kung ang pag-aari mo na yan hindi sa'yo. At you, America, at you, Taiwan, all our government, international, foreign politics is emboldened for traded and always invited in your always defenses. Always depend is most comedy in than your age. Ang tatanda nun niya, you're old. Ako bata pa ako para I am long term for the world about mission and this online, but you're never this person. You are old. You are not when. Sinisira mo lang earth. Sinisira mo lang politics law and history because you are comedy. You are evil. You always problem. You are always possessed to the God power in this earth. Karat. Yan ang solusyon. Wala lang iba. Your surrender. Ibaba nyo yung pride nyo. Dahil pag hindi nyo yan binaba, mamamatay kayo lahat dito sa daigdig. I never close the war. Hanggat nabubuhay ako sa daigdig, laging magaganap yan. Forever and ever.